Daihatsu, a subsidiary of Toyota, has admitted to falsifying the results of its car crash tests for over 30 years. The scandal came to light in April 2023, when Daihatsu Japan admitted to manipulating data on models manufactured in Thailand and Malaysia from 2022 to this year. Daihatsu manipulated the data to make its cars look safer than they actually were. For example, Daihatsu replaced test dummies with lighter dummies, used inaccurate testing equipment, and manipulated photos and videos from crash tests. The scandal has led to significant concerns about the safety of Daihatsu cars. The Japanese government has launched an investigation into the scandal, and Daihatsu has recalled some of its models from the market. Daihatsu has apologized for the scandal and said that it has taken steps to prevent it from happening again. However, the scandal has raised questions about Daihatsu's credibility as a car maker. Here are some of the impacts of the scandal. Daihatsu has lost the trust of consumers and the automotive industry. The Japanese government and other countries are investigating the scandal. Daihatsu has recalled some of its models from the market. Customers who feel they have been harmed by the scandal may file a lawsuit against Daihatsu. Daihatsu still has to deal with the impact of the scandal. The company needs to work hard to restore the trust of consumers and the automotive industry. Here are some additional details about the scandal. Daihatsu falsified results for 64 models in total, including both passenger cars and commercial vehicles. The falsified results were used to obtain approval from governments around the world. Daihatsu has not yet released a complete list of the models affected by the scandal. The scandal is a major blow to Daihatsu's reputation. The company will need to take significant steps to regain the trust of consumers and regulators.